In this video tutorial, you are going to learn about group discussion and its importance. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Sai Smith from skillsgrow.com. Firstly, what is a group discussion? Let me put this in a simple way for you. Let us consider there are a number of people seated around a table who are continuously speaking about a particular topic one after the other. Then it is called a group discussion. Group discussion is shortly called as GD. Group discussion should start with at least 3 individuals and the number may go on. But it might not include more than 10 or 15 individuals. Group discussion may include topics such as business, economy, technology, current affairs, social issues, politics, sports, and etc. As in the game of football, where you play like a team, passing the ball to each team member and aim for a common goal. In a similar way, group discussion is also based on teamwork, incorporating the views of different individuals in sharing the information about the topic. The average duration of most group discussions is 15 minutes. In some exceptional cases, the group discussion may continue for up to 45 minutes. But one must remember that there is no specific time duration for group discussion. Till now, we have seen about group discussion. But is group discussion an important criteria? Or why is group discussion? Yes, because group discussion helps in choosing the socially suitable candidates among the academically superior achievers. It is also one of the best tools to study the behavioral and attitudinal responses of the participant. There might be a formal group discussion or an informal group discussion. Both of them experience communication exchange between the individuals participating in group discussion. Every one of us while graduating is being told that group discussion is one of the most important criteria in any interview process. In order to understand why group discussion plays such a huge role, we have to know the importance of group discussion. It is essential for us to understand it from the perspective of an interviewer and also how is it useful for you as an individual. A group discussion round is ideally conducted in order to understand the candidates' interpretational skills, interaction with unknown individuals, that is, interaction skills, conveying their points and are able to lead the discussion. The other things which you are judged upon are how well you can work in a team or lead them. It also portrays to the interviewer a side of your attitude which you might probably display in your workplace. And the important skills you are going to improve by involving yourself in group discussions during your education are good listening, speaking confidently, and it also helps you mold your attitude according to different groups of people. Taking part in group discussion also improves your ability to think critically and helps in problem solving. How to improve those skills? In order to improve these skills, all you need to do is practice and participate. Attend as many seminars and tutorials as possible. And also observe various aspects such as how the participants make critical comments and ask questions and interrupt others and so on. Practice your discussion skills in informal groups and sessions. And why not possibly ask them for a feedback? In the next video tutorial for group discussion, you will be knowing the do's and don'ts in a group discussion. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more content from us.